Hello, good morning to all. How are you? How are you, Agatha? Everyone doing good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing good.
Okay. Okay, Ira, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Miraculin, good morning. Everyone, good morning. Turn on your camera, please. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now we will start the class. So we were doing coordinate geometry yesterday.
Sir, I had a doubt in the third question. I sent it in the
Yes,
group.
yes. Yes. No problem. We will do the third question. Okay, so this is the third question. Okay, show that minus 5 comma 6, minus 1 comma 2, and 2 comma minus 1 are collinear points. Okay, now we have to show this. Now we know that, like as I told you before, also like 3 points are there, so we will arrange 3 points. Okay, no matter in what series, but you can arrange in any series. So in the previous class, also I discussed that what I discussed that the sum of two sides, if it is equals to the third side, then they are in collinear points. Okay. So first we have to find the distance of first like AB. So what is the distance formula? It's root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Yes or no? Okay. So if I will take that, like this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So if I will put, what will be the answer in this case? Like it will be minus 1 minus of minus 5 square plus plus y square, which is 2 minus of 6 square. Did you understand, guys, what I did? I just
Yeah.
put the value x2, which is minus 1. I put the value of x1, which is minus 5, and the minus sign was already there. Okay, so how it will become? It will become like this, like this will become minus and minus become plus. So and minus 1 become uh, plus 4. So 4 square plus minus 4 minus 4 square. So AB is equals to root 16 plus 16. So AB is equals to root 32. And if I will simplify it, 32 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So from this pair is out. Only 2 will left behind. So it will become 4 root 2 units. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, just on. Betya, Miracle, turn on the camera, please. Did you understand, guys? Okay. Now, in the same way, for the BC, the this will become x1, y1, and this will become x2, y2. Okay. So BC, this is like 2 minus of minus 1 square, and the root will come plus minus 1 minus 2 square. Okay. So BC is equals to root of 2 plus 1 square plus minus 3 square. So BC will become 3 square minus 3 square So BC will become 9 plus 9. So BC will become root 18, which can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. It will become 3 root 2 units. Yes or no? Now if I will take out CA, so CA, it will become, guys, are you getting this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this is
Yes, sir.
x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So this will become 2 minus of minus 5 square plus minus 1 minus 6 square. So CA, it will become root of 2 plus 5 square plus minus 7 square. So CA is equals to root of 7 square plus 7 square. So CA become root of 49 plus 49. So CA will become root of 98. Now CA, like root 98 can be written as 7 into 7 into 2. Now this will come out. So only 7 will remain behind. The CA will become 7 root 2. Okay? Yes or no? Okay, Agatha, did you understand?
Yeah, I actually found I got a square in a little wrong. Square root and square in. My bad.
Which one? Which one? This
I
part?
no, I realized that in the step, okay, in the AB distance, I didn't really simplify square root of 32. In BC
Yeah.
distance, I mistakenly added 9 plus 9 as 81. It was 18.
Wow.
And AC did the something similar, but this time it's 49 plus 14, 9.
Uh, okay. So no problem in that. We did mistake. So it is 4 plus 3. Then it will become 7 and 7 root 2. So they are collinear points. Do you want me to do the last step also, miracle?
No, sir. I did this myself here. No problem.
So okay, okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay. Any problem, Patrick? Betya?
Sir. Sir, so easy, sir.
Okay, okay.
I
So
don't know
anybody?
why. Sir, I don't know
Uh,
why I find 10th standard math so easy.
yeah.
All the chapters are a bit easy except constructions and fourth chapter.
Okay. Okay. Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will do one more question. And this is important question. Okay. Okay. I'm erasing this. Okay. Find the radius of a circle whose center is 0, 0.0 and passes through a point minus 6 comma 8, which is on the circumference. For example, if I will draw the diagram, it's gonna look like this. Like this is center, which is O. This
Oh,
is
sir,
radius. Yes.
sir, in science class you mentioned it's not O, it's C. For science you mentioned it as C, not O.
We are in science class, but we are in maths class. That's why. So now it is O 0, comma 0. Okay. And you have to find the distance. Can you do it? Can you do it by your own?
Okay, so you need to find a
Can you
distance.
do it by your own? Yeah. Solve it quickly.
Do we need to draw the diagram or no? Sir,
Yes?
do we need to draw the diagram?
Yes, you can.
Do we need to?
Yes, we need to.
Okay, sir. We'll do it. Fine. Hmm. I feel like I have to use a compass for this. But I hate using compass.
Sir, we should just find a distance between them using that formula, right?
Yes.
So we don't really need to
Yes,
use a
and
compass.
no need to make compass. Just make a simple circle, put the values. The diagram, like
And you,
whenever, sorry,
and you and apply the distance formula.
yeah, simply apply the distance formula. Send the answer in the chat, please. Okay, correct, Jashwan. Agatha, correct.
What is Miraculin doing? Wait. A 0, 0.
Okay, so we know the AB distance, the distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So AB is equals to root of what is x2? X2 is minus 6 minus 0 square plus what is y2? 8 minus 0 square. So AB will become minus 6 square plus 8 square minus 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. So AB is equals to root 100. AB is equals to
10 units.
10 units. This is the answer. Any problem? Miraculin?
Very easy, sir.
Sir,
Absolutely no problem.
of the distance
No,
formula, is add units in the end, right?
Yes, you have to write units in the end. This is compulsory.
You need to write units. You can't write centimeter or K or anything.
Yeah, perfect. Miraculin, did you understand better?
yeah, sir, this is very easy. Like,
Very easy, yeah. So turn the camera, please. Then it is very easy.
Miracle
Okay.
turn on your camera will be very easy. Very easy. Now Miracle will be so easy. Remember that. Easy. Should be easy.
Can you hear me, guys?
yeah.
Yeah, today
Yeah.
my network is fluctuating a lot. Okay. So we will learn a new topic called as section formula. Now everyone, pens down. Okay, pens down, everyone. Jeshwan, pens down. Jeshwan. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So now today we will learn that how to find the value if there is one division or sections are there. For example, we'll take one example. Everyone, please pay attention. For example, this is a line. This is A and this is B. Okay. Okay. Now there is one point in this AB line named as P. Okay, like A has a coordinates of x1 comma y1. A has a coordinates of x1 comma y1. B has a coordinates of x2 comma y2. And there is
Sir,
a one point P. Yes.
what is the meaning of coordinates?
Which one?
Coordinates.
Coordinates.
Yeah, coordinates.
The coordinates meaning is like the address. Like A has an address of x1 comma y1. This is called as coordinates. The address. Okay, like writing the values in the form of x comma y is called as coordinates. And okay, in the map, if you will go, if you will become a what to say, the Bear Grylls guy. Okay, so you have in the map you will have that coordinates. You have to locate the coordinates. Okay, and you have to eat a lot of insects for that. Okay, so okay, jokes apart. Okay, so this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. This is A. This is B, and this is one point P which divides the this line segment is the coordinates of P is x comma y, and it's divide it into m1 and m2 ratio. Okay, I will repeat it again. There is two coordinates A and B. A coordinates is x1 comma y1. B coordinates is x2 comma y2. And P is the mid coordinate which divides the line segment in m1 is to m2 ratio. Okay, we'll do one question also. Everyone, please pay attention. Okay, now to find the value of this x, find the value of this one, so it become m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. I'll repeat it again. The value of x, if you want to find, it will be equals to m1 x2 m2 x1 upon m1 plus x2. Every time, everyone please pay attention. Every time it will work in cross multiplication. Like m1 will multiply with this x2, m2 will multiply with this x1 upon m1 plus m2 if you want to find the value of x. Did you understand, guys? And if you want to find the value of y, so it will become m1 x y2 like cross m1 y2 plus m2 y1 like cross m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 like m1 plus m2. Did you understand?
Okay,
Now, how to use this formula?
how can we start
Sorry.
writing? Can we start writing, sir?
No. I will give first. We will do one question. Then I will give you to write. Okay. For example. Okay. For example, there are points like 2,3, 9,4, and the point is 5,4. No, we have to find the point. This is P, this is A, and this is P. And the ratio is given 2:7. The ratio is given what? 2:7. And the question is that we have to find the value of x and y. So what is the formula for that? X is equals to m2 x1 plus m1 x2 upon m1 plus M2 means this is M1, this is M2, this is X1 comma Y1, and this is X2 comma Y2. So if I will put the values into this, so X is equals to what is M2? What is M2? Miracle?
7, sir.
So 7 will multiply with 2
Yeah.
plus 2 will multiply with 9 upon 2 plus 9 2 plus 7 because M1 is 2, M1 is 2 and M2 is 7. So X will become 14 plus 18 by 9. So it will become 32 by 9. So I got the value of X which will be 32 by 9, comma. Now I have to find the value of Y. Okay, I have to find the value of Y. So Y formula, yeah,
So simple. So simple.
yeah. So Y is equals to M2X1, sorry, M2Y1 plus M1Y2 upon M1 plus M2. So I will put the value into this, like M2 is 7, will multiply with this 3 plus 2 will multiply with this 4 upon 2 plus 7. So Y is equals to 21 plus 8 upon 9, which will become 29 upon 9. So this is the 29 by 9. This is the ratio.
And
Did you understand, guys?
Sir,
Yes or no?
yes.
yes, sir. Sir,
Yes. So we, yeah.
same as the law of conservation of momentum.
Law of conservation of momentum. How, beta?
That is MAUA plus MBUB gives MAV.
The
Same as that.
yeah. Everyone do it now,
I had a question.
please.
Wait, so it no, like the top formula is M1 X2, like the down one is M2 X1. Which one's correct? Like the down one, right?
No, everyone is correct. The plus, if you will do 2 plus 3, Ira, what it will become? 5. If you will do 3 plus 2,
Oh,
it will
sorry.
become 5.
Okay.
Ira, what is this, Ira? No. This is not correct, Ira. Ouch.
Correct, sir?
Yeah, you can write it down. No, yeah, I am tired because morning itself I become a cricketer
Of course.
and I went for to play cricket and I took 2 wickets.
Wow, clap for sir.
Even though I was expensive little bit, in 2 overs I took 2 wickets and I gave 18 runs.
18 is
Yeah,
not
but
bad. 18 is not bad. Anything like above 20
yeah,
is not bad. Because that's above level.
yeah. I have to work on my economy, but I took 2 wickets. That is correct.
Are you sure you're not somehow knowing Hardik Pandya?
He knows.
Yeah. Like for teaching, I become Hardik Vashne. In ground field, I become Hardik Pandya.
I knew it. I knew it.
Exactly you. How do I say this? I can't say it in front of everyone.
No, now if I will come Bangalore, na, so me and Edric will play cricket. Okay, Edric?
Yes, sir. I can't say this that I have a secret. I can't tell anyone this because then they'll start hating me.
Who?
I can tell one of the students.
Who will hate you?
All the students except one. If I say this, I have a secret. This.
Okay, then tell me in secret. Okay.
Okay. I'll tell you in the chat, okay?
Okay.
So this is known as a section formula.
Yeah, this is called a section formula. So in the previous one, it was distance formula. Now this is the section formula.
Why is it called the suction formula?
Section, not suction. my handwriting is section means division.
Okay.
SECTION. Section.
Okay.
Yes, Jashant.
This also-
So one doubt, how to put this into the graph?
Sir,
How? What?
It's in the form of a fraction. Can you put it in graph? If you go into decimal,
Yeah, it will go in decimal. So, yeah, like for example, if you will divide 32 divided by 9, it will become 3.6. No, 3.5 something will become. So you have to put it in there.
sir, send something to you,
Yes.
but don't read it
Yes.
out. Just say okay.
Yeah. I will not read. Okay.
Then write in the formula.
PV. Give 2 minutes. I need to write everything. Okay.
Done? Shall I read this now?
Wait. 2, 3 and 9, 4.
Okay, done? Shall I read this? Edric?
2 minutes. 1 minute, sir.
Okay, I'm raising this. Edric, shall I raise this?
But okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, I will give you one question now. Okay, this is the question. 2, 3 and 7, 8 in the ratio of 2:3 internally. For example, this is A and this is B, and there is a point which divides into 2:3 ratio. This is 2, 3 and this is 7, 8. And you have to find the value of P which has a coordinates x, 1. This is this mean, okay? Internally means internally it divide into 2:3 ratio. Can you do it by your own, please? Will you try? All the sirs and madam, you will take. Betty, you got the answer?
No, I'm still solving, sir.
You do it.
M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2.
Okay, guys, you can simply do this for finding the value of x. 2 into 7, 3 into 2. Do not mention every time m1, m2, x1, x2, x2 like this. Simply you can cross multiply it. So it will become 2 into 7 plus 3 into 2 upon 2 plus 3. It will become 14 plus 6 upon 5. It will become 5. So I got the value of x as 5, comma. Y is equals to, you have to write the formula every time. Otherwise, you will lose marks. Okay, guys? Did you understand? Yes or no? So it will become 2 into 8 plus 3 into 3 upon 2 plus 3. So it will become 16 plus 9 upon 5. So it will become 25 upon 5 is equals to.
Sir,
No, it will
25
become 4.
is 4, not 5. 25 is 4.
Sorry. My bad.
4, 5.
So answer will be 4, 5.
Okay.
Yes, very good, Agatha. Now, Edric, Jashron, Ira, you guys got little bit competitor. Like who will send the answer first? Ditya and Miracle too. Edric, are you
Yes.
listening to me?
Yes, sir.
So before you, Jashron, Ira, Miracle, and Betya, Agatha is sending the answer.
I also got both.
So let's see who will send the first.
Wait.
Okay, I'll give you the question. Let's see who will send the first. And correct also. I mean, you can send any number otherwise. So you have to send me the correct answer. Yes. So your time starts. Your time starts now. Now I will not make the diagram, but you have to draw the diagram. Okay, you have to draw the diagram. The diagram like I made na line, then I put the values like that. Let's see who will do this first. My eyes is on chat. Miracle, are you getting this, beta? No.
We have to write the question.
Yes.
Got the answer, sir.
Oh, you send it me? Oh, अच्छा, इसको ढूंढ. Yes, Cedric, correct. Very good at it. Anybody else who sent it me? And if you want me to do it, I will do it also. X is correct. You have to find Y also, Agatha. Oh, correct. Jashran, Y is not correct. Either you wrote wrong. Otherwise, X is correct.
Y is wrong.
Yeah, Y is wrong. No, not Agatha. Jashran, I'm saying. No, Ira, it's not correct. Okay, I will do it now. Okay. Miracle, sound is coming. Can you mute yourself, please? Thank you. Ira, where you did mistake?
That was a stupid mistake.
Oh, Ira. Krishna, where you did mistake?
Calculation, sir.
Yeah. So like this 1 will multiply with this -3, this 4 will multiply with this 4, 4 4 is 16, -3 will become 13/5. Correct. But yeah.
Batia is
Okay. Okay. Correct. Now I will give you some wholesome.
Sir, do we have to do the 90.2 second question under B? It's question B.
Let me check. Let me check. Yeah. Today only I will give this.
how come so many questions?
No,
that
I gave only 4. Yeah, Tamil exercise. Sir,
on 19.2, we have to also do the first question B? We didn't do that.
No need.
No need to do the B. Okay.
I gave only 4 questions. Yeah, no need to. I gave 4 questions. Question number 1 of CYP 9.19.3, A and B. 19.2, question number 2, and terminal question number 2. Only that one. Yes, just now.
So you could have just written
Yes, just now.
US 19.3 question 1 instead of mentioning A and B. It's only got A and B, nothing more.
Sorry. First question A and B.
It only has A and B, so you could have just said question number 1.
No. This is called a psychology, you know. You read psychology. If I will write full, sir, what is this full? What is full? What is this? Are you giving full question? Full question. If I will write A and B, na, so you will say, okay, 2 questions only it given. That
Sir?
is the, you know, I have to play with students' mind. Yes.
So, sir, so you're giving 4 questions.
Yes.
You have to give 4 questions in a day, sir. In a day? In a day.
Yes.
3 days a week.
Okay, so now you guys have 4 minutes break. Come back in 4 minutes. Drink water. Go and hydrate yourself. Till then, bye. Have a night. Not hype. Bye. I mean, you come back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Bye.
Sir.
Come back. Yes.
Okay. So second question, we left it no for day from yesterday's no. So you have to do today. You're saying?
Yes.
Oh.
Today only we did, na?
Oh, this today.
That's why. It's that type of question. Yes. Okay, Edric, come back in 4 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, come back. Everyone, come back, please. Now, as I promised yesterday, today we will start a new chapter named as electricity. Electricity. Okay, we will start new chapter named as electricity. Now,
Chapter number
I will ask chapter number. Why it's not opening? So,
15.
what is this behavior?
Chapter number 16. Electrical.
Okay, thank
Hello, bro. Open this, please. Give me a second. Okay, now it's open. Okay, so we will start electricity. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Agatha, Edric, Miracle, Bethia, everyone. Okay. Now we will start this chapter, and before starting this, I will ask this hardest question from Edric. This is the one of the hardest question. What do you mean by electricity?
Okay, so electricity is the flow of electrons.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, that is correct. But I'm not asking this bookish language. I'm just asking normally if chota bacha will come and he will ask you, what do you mean by electricity?
Okay.
And you will say electrons flow, then how will you will understand? Yeah.
Okay, so electricity is what makes is what makes things work, like tube lights, fans, and all those things, like tube lights, fans, and all those things. Only if there's an electricity, it will work. Only if there's a flow of current, they'll work. And only if there's
Okay.
a voltage, they'll work.
Okay, perfect. So electricity, it's a type of energy. Yes, it's a type of energy which helps device to work. Simple. For example, we can see in just on video there is a fan working. So if power station, if fan will, if power station will cut the electricity, then Ashton will say, "Why God? Why the power is not coming? Why there is no fan working? It's too hot." So basically, electricity, because of electricity only, the fan is working. Okay, because of electricity only, Agatha's tube light is working. If it is not there, then there is no electricity. Like for example, here there is no electricity. So you can check that there is no fan working. Okay, like I reduce my weight in sweating only. So there is no electricity here. Okay, so first we will, before going deep into this chapter, we will understand what do you mean by charge object. So put a heading, charge object. Charge object. Okay, now everyone please pay attention. Okay, so do you know what you mean by static charge? Anybody?
Okay.
So what is the chapter number?
Chapter number 16. Chapter number 16. Electrical energy. Yeah. So Miracle was saying about static charge. Yes, Miracle.
No, sir, I was just asking the chapter's number.
Also, I am asking you, what do you mean by static charge? I am not asking the bookish language, okay? So I am just saying that in your surrounding, you see static charge. So how will you say that it's a static charge or what?
I have no idea.
Okay, I know it.
No idea. Okay, you know it. But I will ask from Ira.
I'm
Yes,
not
Ira.
sure, sir.
Yeah, whatever you know, just say. I will not say that Ira, you said wrong, you will have a punishment now. I will
Yeah,
not say like that. You say.
static is like to hold still, like probably holding energy. I don't know.
Okay. So Ira is in Bangalore, no? You're in Bangalore. Miraculin, you're in Ludhiana. Okay. Agatha, you are in Odisha side, no? Like, where is your hometown? Town?
My
Odisha.
hometown is in Kerala. only.
Kerala.
I was
Oh, okay, okay. So, why I'm asking this? Because I don't know about in Bangalore or Kerala. If there is cold, we like in the north, there is too harsh cold. Okay. Miraculin knows better. Okay. So, we have to wear woolen clothes. Okay. And in winter only, when we have to wear woolen clothes in winter times, when I touch another person, so I used to get a shock.
I was about to say that, sir.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Edric, you can say.
So in Bangalore,
You
you
can
know,
say.
okay, so in Bangalore, January, February is like winter in Bangalore, no? Until like, okay. So January, February, it's like 14 degrees in the night, and it's cold. Okay. So that
Mm.
time, basically, whenever I touch anything, even this, even the Mac, even my mom, my dad, even any electrical object or any person, I get a shock. And I get a huge shock that it pains. It literally pains a lot. And I absolutely hate it. So in January, February, I don't do anything. I just not do won't touch anything. But when March comes only, I start touching things. So in January, February, I get a huge shock. In Bangalore, it happens because in Bangalore, like it's January, February is a transition from winter to summer. So uh, so if it's a transition from winter to summer, you will get shock. That is called static shock.
Yes, static shock. So basically, I don't know how many try this in my childhood time when my teacher was teaching history. History classes, I used to sleep or used to do these activities. Like what we used to do, we took the small pieces of paper, we take scale, we used to rub on my forehead. In that time, I have a good hair, so I used to rub on my hair, and then like the piece of paper I put it that scale which I rubbed on my hair near to it, and the paper works as a magnet, and it will stick to the scale. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay, this used to happen. Okay,
have
so
done that.
this is all. Sorry.
I have done that before. Also, with a plastic comb, will get something like plastic comb also will work.
क्या network हो रहा है आज? Hello, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So these all are the example of static energy. Okay, one more example I will give. So when I was 8 year old, okay, my chacha, he was telling me one science thing, and he said that Hardik, we don't need tape. We don't need tape to stick the balloon on the wall. I said, how come? Because I was a kid. So he said, I will do one magic. I say, okay. So he said, you keep tape in your hand, but still I will make the balloon stick on the wall. So I said, okay, you do it. And then he did something. He rubbed the balloon on the head, Okay. And then he put it on the wall. I said, wow. Then in teacher, when I asked, then he said, it's not a wow thing. It's normal, a trick that it's a static energy. Like when the balloon is rubbed on the head, so it's a static energy. The balloon got charged. And because the balloon got charged, it got stick to the wall. So
Okay.
these all are example of static energy.
Okay, so basically, opposite charges attract each other. So, for example, like a negative charge and a positive charge attract each other. Same thing for periodic
Yeah.
periodic table. Like
Yes.
electron have negative charge, but proton have positive charge. So as you go
Yes.
to the group, no, from lithium to sodium. In sodium, no, there'll be lots of electrons. So
Yeah.
it will attract the nucleus.
Yeah. So yesterday only we learned, no, like protons is positive and electrons is negative, so they attract. So now we will understand the charge body part. Okay. So a body, like a normal body, like balloon, it has protons. Like balloon is made up of atom, and
Yes.
atoms have electron and protons. So a normal charge body has equal number of proton and equal number of electron. For example, if I will take one example, this neutral body. Why? Because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive charge, means 5 protons and 5 electrons. Okay. So this body is called as neutral body. This body is called as neutral body. But if I'm rubbing the balloon on my head, so two things can happen. How many things can happen? Two things can happen. The first thing, like the electrons, because of the conduction, because of the friction, the electrons of the balloon can transfer to my body such that only positive charge will be there more than negative charge. So for example, 5 protons are there and 2 electrons are there. So because of the rubbing. So this body is called as positively charged body. Positively charged body.
Body with more
Okay.
body with more
Huh?
protons known as positively charged body. Body with more
Yeah.
protons.
Yes. It is called as positively charged body. And it, like, another option can also be like this, but because of rubbing, another option can be key, like from my body more protons come. So like 5 electrons was already there, and more electrons came from my body. The electrons is transferred into the balloon. Now there is more electrons. It is called as negatively charged body. Okay, don't write it. I will give you time to write, please. It is called as negatively charged body. Now you have to remember this: protons never ever transfer. Protons are inside the nucleus. They will remain inside the nucleus. There is only transfer of electrons make the positively charged body or the negatively charged body. How come? If the electrons is transferred outside the body, then it become positively charged body. If the electrons comes inside the body, it become negatively charged body. Okay, there is no transfer of protons in this rubbing. Did you understand, Agatha? Just on miracle. Okay, so this is called as charge body. Now we know that magnet will stick with the iron. Yes, magnet will stick with iron. So iron, like magnet is magnetism, but iron is not magnet. Yes or no? Iron is neutral, but still magnet will attack with the iron. So in the same way, attraction. Now, Adric, listen to this point. This is important. Attraction is not the property. Okay, it's not the like attraction doesn't tells us about what is positive, what is negative. Because one can be positive, one can be neutral, still they will attract. Did you understand? Did you understand, Edric? This
Okay, so
is
you're saying
11.
one can be positive and one can be again positive and still they'll attract, you're saying. Okay.
No, they will repel. They will repel.
Yes.
But if one is positive and other one is neutral, still there is a chance of they will attract. They will attract.
Why?
Point. So, for
Why?
example, I rub my head with a balloon, but the wall is neutral. The wall doesn't have charge, but still the balloon is sticking with the ball because this is the property of attraction. Did you understand?
Okay, so
Yes or
positive
no?
and neutral will attract, then negative and neutral also will attract, no?
Yeah, negative and neutral can also be attract. For example, if I will take two balloons, okay, if I will take two balloons and both of them, if I will rub on my head, and if I will place one balloon like this only, like on the table, and if I will take this balloon and makes near to this balloon, now both have same charge. Like both can have plus charge, both can have negative charge. So both will repel. Okay, so if I will take this balloon and if I will make it near to that balloon, the first balloon, then the first balloon will move away from the second balloon because of the same charge repels each other. Did you understand? So you have to note that the negatively charged body, first of all, that first you have to note that electrons only transfer from a body. There is no transfer of protons. Second thing, that the like charges means plus plus or the minus minus, they repels each other. But the unlike charges, they attract each other. Okay, everyone, make this and then I will tell you what to write. Everyone, quickly write it down.
Only electrons transfer from a body, not the protons. So protons will be remain constant all the time.
Yeah, protons will remain constant all the time. That's why I told you atomic number is not based on the number of electron. Atomic number is based on the number of protons because they never change.
Same with neutrons also. Neutrons will never change. That's why there is a mass number.
Yeah, the mass number is fixed in the atom. Even the electrons are removed or electrons will change. There is no change in the mass number.
But there are so many isotopes, like there's so many isotopes in each element. So that means they have different numbers of neutrons, but the same number of protons.
Hmm. Okay, done. Quickly write it down. Write this thing, and then I will tell you what to write. I will dictate something that you have to write it down in your copy.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone, now write it down. Hashtag one, like hashtag, there's an hashtag sign, and then one. There is only transfer of electrons is there. There is only transfer of electrons if two bodies rub with each other. There is only transfer of electron if two bodies rubs with each other. Hence, protons will remain if two bodies rubs with each other, hence protons will remain in the atom only and no transfer will occur. And hence the protons will remain in the atom and no transfer of protons will occur. Second,
Sir, can you repeat that? The first hashtag. Jay?
what was that? I was just making the sentence. What is that?
Uh,
There is
Well,
the transfer of electrons if two bodies rub against each other. Hence, the protons will remain in the nucleus atom.
can you repeat that?
Yeah.
Mm.
There is only transfer of electrons if two bodies rub each other. Hence, the protons will remain in the nucleus or atom.
and no transfer of protons will occur. Okay, second point. If in a body, number of electron is less than number of protons, if in a body number of electron is less than number of protons, then that charged body is called, what I said, if in body number of electron is less than number of proton, then that charged body is called positively charged body. Then that charged body is called positively charged body.
Done, sir.
And if number of electron is more than number of protons, if number of electron is more than number of protons,
Mm-hmm.
then that charged body is called as, what it will call, negatively charged body.
if number of proton
If number of electron is more than number of protons, then that charged body is called negatively charged body.
Done, sir.
Okay. तो एक और थर्ड पॉइंट लिखो. Like charges such as plus plus, put it into the bracket. Like charges such as minus plus,
Plus plus like charges, no?
like charges such as plus plus, comma, minus minus
Yes.
will repel each other. Repel, REPEL, will repel each other. Means they will not come near to each other. They move away. unlike charges such as plus minus, comma,
Yeah, sir, your voice is breaking.
hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Unlike charges such as plus minus, minus plus, plus neutral, plus neutral, or minus neutral, they will attract each other. Okay. Okay, guys. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So this is all about the charging of a body. If electron is more, negatively charged. If electron is less, positively charged. Okay. And we learn the law of repulsion and law of attraction. Plus plus charge or minus minus charge, they will repel. Plus minus, minus plus, plus neutral, minus neutral, they will attract. Any problem in this?
Should we
Any
write the heading of law of repulsion and law of attraction?
No need, no need. No need. Just simple,
Okay.
it is simple properties there. Plus minus, minus plus, attract, minus plus, minus minus, plus plus, triple. Okay. Any problem in this today? What we learned? Any problem, guys?
What does neutral repel?
Neutral
Only
and neutral, they
neutral
doesn't react also.
doesn't
Like,
react.
yeah, like for example, we will put normal hand sanitizer with this cover. They both are neutral. They are not doing something like they will be remain in that only. They are lazy people. They will not do anything. Okay. So so they doesn't react only. Okay. So any problem? No. Okay. So
And
we'll stop our class. You
and
enjoyed
what's
the
the next
class.
topic? What is the next
Say
topic?
anything. Yes. The next topic is Coulomb's law, which is